Still prompting images one by one, only to end up with messy videos and distorted characters? In today's video, I'll show you how to turn storyboards into polished videos with consistent character design right inside HitPaw Edimakor. Curious how it works? Let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the storyboard. To generate the storyboard, we first need a solid idea and the right prompt. I've prepared a special GPT prompt generator for this. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and it'll brainstorm several story concepts for you. Pick your favorite, and GPT will instantly output optimized prompts tailored for image generation. Copy it, hop back into Edimakor, and we're ready for the next step. Go to the AI Image tab and select Image Generate, Text to Image. Select a model you like. Now, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity. Click Generate. Just like that, you have a clear professional storyboard ready to go. Step 3. Turn the storyboard into video. Now for the magic. Right-click the storyboard, go to Image to Video, choose your favorite model. Whether it's the trending Minimax H3, Seedance 2.0, or Kling, they are all right here. Now grab that image to video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Set your duration and resolution, make sure Generate Audio is switched on, then smash that Generate button and watch the magic happen. It's that simple. You can easily generate different storyboards and turn them into unique videos. If you want to swap out a frame or tweak the music, Edimakor lets you edit every detail freely. It's that flexible. Step 4. Publish to get free credits. Now, during Edimakor's back-to-school campaign, enjoy up to 65% off. Plus, publish to social media with the hashtag #EdimakorBackToSchool to claim 60 extra credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.